Hello, and welcome. Are you ready to start your English learning journey? Today, we're going to learn 100 essential words that you'll use every single day. This video is perfect for beginners, so don't worry, we'll go at a comfortable pace. We'll show you a picture for each word to help you remember it better. Let's get started with the basics. Greetings. First up, hello. You can use this anytime you meet someone. Hello. And when you leave, you can say goodbye. Goodbye. In the morning, you say good morning. Good morning. In the afternoon, it's good afternoon. And in the evening, you say good evening. Good evening. When you go to bed, you say good night. Good night. It's also important to be polite. So we have please, please, and thank you. Thank you. If someone thanks you, you can say you're welcome. You're welcome. If you make a mistake, you can say sorry. Sorry. Now, let's talk about people. We'll start with family. The head of the family, we have father, or dad. Father, and mother, or mom, mother. A male child is a son, son. A female child is a daughter, daughter. Your father's son is your brother, brother. And your father's daughter is your sister, sister. A very young child is a baby, baby. Someone you enjoy spending time with is a friend, friend. Great job so far. Let's move on to food and drink, something we all love. The most important drink is water, water. A popular morning drink is coffee, coffee. Or maybe you prefer tea, tea. We also drink milk, milk, and juice, juice, for food. We have bread, a staple in many countries. Bread. Something sweet we put on bread is butter, butter. A round, sweet fruit that can be red or green is an apple, apple. A long yellow fruit is a banana, banana. A small orange fruit is an orange, orange. We also have egg, which is great for breakfast. Egg. A common grain is rice, rice. We often cook with chicken, chicken. And fish from the sea, fish. A mix of fresh vegetables is a salad, salad. And for a sweet treat, cake, cake. You're doing amazing. Now let's learn some words for things we find at home. The building you live in is your house, house. You open the door to get in, door. You look out the window, window. At night, you turn on the light, light. You sit on a chair, chair. And you put things on a table, table. You sleep in a bed, bed. You watch television, or TV, television. You talk to people far away on the phone, phone. You read a book, book. And you write with a pen, pen. You might have a cat or a dog as a pet, cat, dog. Let's keep going. Let's talk about the world outside. The big, blue thing above us is the sky, sky. The star that gives us light and warmth is the sun, sun. At night, you can see the moon, moon. And many tiny stars, star. The white things floating in the sky are clouds, cloud. When water falls from the sky, it's rain, rain. A beautiful plant with colors is a flower, flower. And a big plant with a wooden trunk is a tree, tree. You drive a car on the road, car, road. A bigger vehicle for many people is a bus, bus. A place where you can buy things is a shop or a store, shop. The building where you learn is a school, school. And the place you might work is an office, office. We're almost at 100. Now, for some simple action words, or verbs. When you see, look, look. You use your ears to hear, hear. You use your nose to smell, smell. You use your mouth to eat and drink, eat, drink. You also talk, talk. You go from one place to another when you walk, walk. And if you go faster, you run, run. You can sit on a chair, sit. And stand up, stand. You open a door and close a door, open, close. At night, you sleep, sleep. You use your hands to give and take, give, take. You might read a book or write a letter, read, write. And most importantly, when you are happy, you smile, smile. Let's finish with a few useful words. Numbers. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Colors. Red, like an apple. Red. Blue, like the sky. Blue. Green, like a tree. Green. And some opposites. Big and small. Big, small. Hot and cold. Hot, cold. Happy and sad. Happy, sad. And finally, the simple words yes and no. Yes, no. Wow, you've just learned 100 essential English words. Fantastic work. Practice is key, so try to use these words whenever you can. Watch this video again to review. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more English lessons. Thank you for learning with us today. See you in the next video. Goodbye.